Today, we're talking about something a lot of us know: feeling stuck in your career. Not failing, not thriving, just stuck. Chloe, why do you think this happens so often?
Yeah, it's really common. And now, with AI everywhere, the first thing people do is ask AI for quick career advice. Questions like, what should I do next? Or, what skills should I learn? AI gives fast suggestions, certifications, pivots, networking tips. But even then, many still feel stuck.
So it's not really about missing information?
Exactly. The real problem is orientation, knowing what problem you're actually trying to solve. People say, I want growth, but often they mean I want more respect or I want visibility. If you get that wrong, AI will optimize the wrong thing.
How do you figure out what the real problem is?
That's where the first tool helps, the tension identifier. You finish the sentence. The real reason I feel stuck is naming that internal tension is key. It's a moment to pause before you ask AI anything.
Okay, but sometimes it feels deeper, like we're avoiding something.
Right, and that's the next step, the constraint clarifier. You ask yourself, what am I avoiding? A tough conversation? Upgrading a skill? Risk or failure? I can't see what you're hiding from yourself. Skipping this leads to noisy, unhelpful advice.
Got it. So once you're clear on tension and constraints, how do you use AI better?
You change the questions. Instead of, what should I do? Ask, given I feel blocked by X, what adjacent career paths could help? Or, what risks might I be overestimating? This adjacent possibility generator helps AI expand your options. Lateral moves, unexpected combos, overlooked chances.
But doesn't that sometimes just make things more overwhelming?
It can. Expanding without evaluating creates overwhelm. That's why the next stage, judging, is so important. You filter options by asking which fit your long-term identity, which discomforts you can accept, and which trade-offs feel honest.
And then comes commitment, which is often the hardest part.
Exactly. The consequence ownership check helps here. You finish. If I pursue this and it fails, I am still willing to own. It restores agency. Then, the 30-day direction test. Pick one small action, commit for 30 days, then reassess. It stops endless rumination and builds momentum.
So in the AI age, the challenge isn't lack of options, but making deliberate choices?
Yes, a Puri shows possible futures, but can't decide who you want to become. The real difference is who chooses deliberately and owns their direction.
To wrap up, what's the key takeaway?
Think first. Identify your real tension. Then ask AI better questions. Finally, judge and commit. AI helps you see options, but you still have to decide and move forward.
That's a clear sequence. Think, ask, judge. Thanks for breaking it down, Chloe.
My pleasure. Here's to helping everyone break free from feeling stuck and take ownership of their career path.